For centuries, depression has cast a long shadow over human existence. Many early theories attributed this condition to imbalances in bodily fluids or supernatural forces. These explanations, while lacking scientific rigor, reflect the deep-seated human desire to understand and alleviate suffering. With the advent of modern medicine, the search for biological underpinnings of mental illness intensified. The discovery of neurotransmitters, chemical messengers in the brain, marked a significant turning point. Scientists began to unravel the intricate communication networks within our brains. This led to the emergence of the chemical imbalance theory, which suggested that mental disorders, including depression, might arise from dysregulation in these neurotransmitter systems. In the 1950s, researchers observed that certain medications, initially developed for other purposes, seemed to improve mood in some individuals. These early antidepressants, particularly those belonging to the class of monoamine oxidase inhibitors, MAOIs, and tricyclic antidepressants, TCAs, were found to increase the availability of serotonin in the brain. Serotonin, a neurotransmitter involved in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite, quickly became a focal point. The serotonin hypothesis of depression was born, proposing that low serotonin levels were a primary cause of the disorder. This theory gained widespread acceptance, influencing both scientific research and clinical practice for decades to come. While the serotonin hypothesis initially provided a seemingly clear and straightforward explanation for depression, several observations began to cast doubt on its validity. Researchers noted that lowering serotonin levels in healthy individuals did not consistently induce depression. Furthermore, studies examining serotonin levels in people with depression yielded mixed results. While some individuals showed lower serotonin levels, others did not differ significantly from those without depression. Additionally, the effectiveness of antidepressants, often touted as evidence supporting the serotonin hypothesis, was called into question. While these medications could alleviate symptoms in some individuals, a substantial portion of patients did not experience significant relief. As limitations of the serotonin hypothesis became increasingly apparent, researchers began exploring alternative explanations for depression. This shift in focus acknowledged the complexity of this disorder, recognizing that a single neurotransmitter could not fully account for its diverse manifestations. Emerging research pointed towards the involvement of multiple brain regions and complex interactions between different neurotransmitter systems. These findings underscored the need for a more nuanced understanding of the biological underpinnings of depression, moving away from simplistic models. Section 5, Inflammation in the Brain, a new frontier in depression. One promising area of research investigates the role of inflammation in the development of depression. Chronic low-grade inflammation, often triggered by factors such as stress, poor diet, and lack of exercise, has been linked to an increased risk of depression. Studies have shown that individuals with depression often exhibit elevated levels of inflammatory markers in their blood and cerebrospinal fluid. This inflammatory response can disrupt brain function, affecting mood regulation, cognitive processes, and overall brain health. Section 6, the gut-brain connection, unveiling a complex relationship. The intricate connection between the gut and the brain has also emerged as a significant area of interest in depression research. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These microorganisms play a crucial role in digestion, immune function, and even influence brain health. Research suggests that imbalances in the gut microbiome, often referred to as dysbiosis, can contribute to the development of depression. The gut microbiome communicates with the brain through various pathways, including the vagus nerve, a direct neural connection between the gut and the brainstem. Alterations in the gut microbiome can influence neurotransmitter production, inflammation, and stress responses, all of which are implicated in depression. Section 7. Stress, trauma, and the genesis of depression. While biological factors undoubtedly play a role in depression, it is crucial to acknowledge the profound impact of psychological and social factors. Stressful life events, trauma, and chronic adversity can significantly increase the risk of developing depression. These experiences can alter brain circuitry, disrupt hormonal balance, and negatively impact our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Social isolation, lack of social support, and economic hardship have also been identified as significant risk factors for depression, highlighting the importance of social determinants of health. Section 8. Rethinking treatment. Addressing the root causes of depression. The evolving understanding of depression necessitates a shift in treatment approaches. Recognizing the multifaceted nature of this disorder paves the way for more holistic and personalized interventions. While antidepressants can provide relief for some individuals, they should not be considered a one-size-fits-all solution. Addressing the underlying causes of depression, whether biological, psychological, or social, is paramount for achieving lasting recovery. Section 9. The future of depression treatment. A holistic perspective. The future of depression treatment lies in embracing a biopsychosocial model, integrating biological, psychological, and social interventions. This approach recognizes the interconnectedness of our minds, bodies, and social environments. Lifestyle modifications, including regular exercise, a healthy diet, and adequate sleep, can profoundly impact both physical and mental health. Psychotherapy, such as cognitive behavioral therapy and interpersonal therapy, equips individuals with coping mechanisms, improves emotional regulation, and enhances social skills. Social interventions aimed at reducing social isolation, promoting social support, and addressing economic disparities are equally crucial. At Mind Performance Center, we add functional medicine and deep transcranial magnetic stimulation to better improve brain function both metabolically and physiologically, to enhance the communication throughout the brain. This approach has proven to be more effective with our patients than the standard model alone. I hope this information helps you on your journey to find help for your depression. Until next time, live well.